So the brain becomes quiet, utterly still, to be totally free from all bondage, from all measurement, all conflict. And that silent stillness has its own beauty, its own truth. Its absolute sense of immeasurable thing. So death and life always march together. Then you will see, then there is that sense of absolute freedom. And that's necessary to understand that which is timeless, if there is such thing as eternity. So truth is something which is not to be measured, and it has no path to it. And that is beauty, that is life. And then there is that sense of absolute freedom.